Hey guys, this is Lindsay over at Clay Revolution. Today I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial on how to use our paper textures that we sell. These are super convenient. They are very easy to use. I'm going to show you how to prep it and how to do you can actually do double-sided pieces with these using two different sheets. They are very small, so they're easy to store, so they're very good to have. Like you can store them in a binder, I've heard people say. And yep, they're made here in the USA. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna condition my clay a little bit. Oh, wrong side. And I'm moving it all around. All right, so I just have a little chunks. This is gonna be a super quick thing. And where is my cup? I was a little less organized than I realized. It's because I moved things out of my way. So first here is, I'm gonna show you the difference between the new paper texture and a used one. You are essentially going to turn it into an oil sheet with release agent. So of course I have my liberation spray here. So this is the new one. And then this one is the one that we've already turned into an oil sheet. And you can see the design through the back. And that's how you know you have enough liberation spray on it. So I'm gonna show you how to prep that. We actually start with the back, and we're gonna do about 3 squirts of liberation spray. And kind of rub that in there, and you can start to see the texture coming through. But we are gonna do this about 3 times. Okay. And these are reusable. You can run them through the rolling mill. They are not reusable after that. So, but we have a bag full of them that we've been using for quite some time. And every now and then you might have to add a little bit more liberation spray to it. So if your clay sticks, then you know you did not have enough on there. Okay, let's see, we're gonna need it one more time. And you can kind of see it's starting not to soak in. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but that is another sign that you have enough on there. All right, now I'm gonna flip it over. And I am gonna put some on this front side, probably not as much. All right, and now it is ready to use. Thank you, my assistant has brought me a paper towel. Did you like that, assistant? I love it. All right. So first I'm gonna show you just one quick roll on here. Okay, and you're gonna flip it upside down and just peel your clay off. So there's that first one. And with these designs that kind of have that linear design, it is good to go against the grain, which I did not do. So if you're using one like that, oh,
Try your focus. Just
Focus.
a little bit. Just, I want to be able to. Oh, there. Now.
that good? Now we can
yes.
see it. So there. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys the double-sided, and I got the card thicknesses so I can tell you guys how many cards thick I'm rolling this stuff. So we're gonna start with our red, which is 1.5. That is 6 cards thick. So we're rolling it 2 cards thicker than we want our final piece to be, which our final piece is going to be 3 cards. So starting with that. Did I do that math right?
No.
I didn't think so.
Math ain't math, Miss Lindsay.
Math did not math. Oh, hold on. I'm getting ahead of myself. We don't need the texture yet. We're rolling 1 slab without the texture.
Where did you learn this technique?
Can't metal clay.
Awesome.
Took my class with Carrie a few weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now I am switching to my blue gauges. Just 1 millimeter, that's 4 cards. And I'm gonna roll again. Starting in the middle. And now I'm switching over to my green, which is the thickness I want. My last one to be. And we are going to sandwich our clay between our 2 paper textures. It is as easy as that. So now I'm gonna peel my clay off. And there we go. Let's make sure it's focused.
Yes. Nice.
So that's our feathers paper texture on this side, and this one is our wavy lines. And there we go. Super easy. And we have how many different paper texture designs?
Over 30?
Over 30 to choose from. So multiple combinations.
We
So
have
yeah.
really cool ones for the holidays.
Yes, the holidays.
Than you can imagine.
Yeah, let's not talk about it.
Really.
All right, and that's it. So if you guys have any questions, of course, reach out to us, give us a call, email, and we're always happy to help. Have a great day.